Hi, this is Darren. This is just a quick tutorial video on how to whitelist my email or in anybody's email in Gmail. There are other email systems and there'll be a few tutorial videos below this video just to show you how to do it. But in Gmail, log into Gmail. See at the top here where you got this search bar. If you right click this arrow in the from box up here, if you just put in my email address, Darren at 1kaday strategies.com, then further down where it says create filter, don't click this blue button that says search, just click create filter. Then on here where it says never send it to spam, click never send it to spam. Always mark it as important, and also apply filter to matching messages. Now what you can do as well, you can actually create a new label. So apply label, new label, write Darren Wagstaff, create, and then what you will see is apply the label, never send it to spam, always mark as important, and also apply filter to matching messages. And then you would just click create filter. Now what I would like you to do, and if you do this, and obviously this is completely your choice to do this, but if you can send me proof that you've whitelisted my email, which I would greatly appreciate, if you can send me proof of that, I'll send you a 9-module course on how to make passive income online. I just need you to do a screenshot of these settings here. So if you're on a Mac, you would do Shift Command 4, highlight it, click, and you've done a copy of it. Or if you are on a PC, a Windows PC, you just do print screen, and then once you've done print screen, open up Paint and then paste. This way to do paste is just Control V. Then just save it to your desktop, and then just email me. Just email me to my email address as we've just shown, and once I've received it, I'll send you a link to the 9-module course on how to make passive incomes online. That's Darren from 1kaday strategies.com and darrenwagstaff.com. Speak to you soon.